no gold is not enough.
Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in our mom farm and fill the palm fruit to the car. Let's see who's walking it. Here we go, our superstar of the day. I'm sorry guys, I cannot walk today. My body all sore from the walk yesterday. Even barely handling this camera. My bicep is sore, my shoulder, my back, everything is sore. So here we have the strongest woman in the world. In the Pedaan. Second is Mom. Third is Unyang Martin. In the meantime, let's have a look at the day. It's cloudy, it's black, it's almost rain, I don't know, hopefully not rain. Slippery later on. And the view is spectacular. Spectacular view. That mountain. Yeah, I know you can hear it, but there's a waterfall sound.
Big waterfall.
Yeah, you know why? You know why it's so loud today? Cause it's already raining from above,
Yes.
above there. So the water goes down pretty, really hot. So make the sound go bigger.
There. Big bear.
Big bear. All right. Now that we call, what we call that? Money. So this is the pure flesh of the fruit, palm fruit that left. As you can see, the other previous video that we sent it the other day, we are gathering this from tree to tree, because this is the pure flesh of the fruit. That is how it get done.
Guys, saya sudah masuk dalam kereta. Tidak banyak lah.
Yes, okay.
Adik ambil hari ni.
Yes.
Kerana dia mau balik kampung, tengok rumah. Okay.
But we are also going back.
Yeah.
Right?
Tomorrow kita go back Miri.
Yeah.
Kita mau pergi makan.
Yes. Going to eat good food.
Saya rindu makan McD. Tiba-tiba guys.
Bukan tiba-tiba. Since ilan ni? Sejak hari tu lah.
Saya tengok iklan dalam TV malam hari berapa 2 hari lepas lah. Tiba-tiba saya mengidam. Aduh. Pandai-pandai mereka buat kita mau makan.
Buat kita mau beli lah.
Okay lah guys, kita hantar buah guys. Serasa hujan nih guys. Tuh atas langit nih mendung-mendung nih sudah. Tadi terik betul nih. Mendung sudah. Nah, kita jalan ya guys.
Oh my god. The price.
Harga sawit turun guys.
Yeah. the price is decreased today. Oh, hope no, cannot say that.
Tapi bersyukurlah. 497 guys. OMG. What happened the kilang? Orang semua sudah naik 5 atas semua. Oh, tidaklah. Saya bersyukur sudah guys. Tapi saya kecewa lah karena ini hasil adik sampai kan turun hari ini. Itulah saya marah sikit nih.
Kesian.
Ya, oke lah. Macam itulah kehidupan guys.
Ada naik turun.
Ada naik turunnya guys.
Ada pasang surut.
Pasang surutnya guys. Tapi kami dua nih tiada pasang surutnya.
Sama saja lah.
Sama saja. Oke lah guys. Bersyukurlah selalu. Kita sampai sudah guys. Macam biasa pergi ke Panimbang.
Okay, we are going to. I am going to getting register my name and get this grad
Shit.
ticket.
Grad ticket.
Yeah. Grad ticket.
Yes.
See you guys later.
Beras sekarang ialah 2730 guys. Kilang buka hari ini guys. Oh, kilang beroperasi hari ini guys. Salah sebut. Beroperasi. Ya. Tengok. Buah atas ini pun tiada. Karena dia bekerja hari ini. Oke guys, suami saya tidak bawa kasut hari ini karena ada sakit badan semua tadi.
Ya, tapi saya kasihan bini saya.
Ya, ada kesian saya sendiri buang. Tapi tak apa ada saya, tak apalah, saya tolong lagi. Itu udah tidak pakai kasut hari ini. Siap sudah nih, nanti sebuang biji dia lagi. Bijinya. Wow. Mesin keluarkan buah. Siap sudah guys, oke. Kita buang biji lagi.
You know my wife. I just help her get rid of the sawit of the palm fruit. Hello, hi.
Ini bahaya guys. Tengok setajam-tajamnya. Ini tedok lagi tajam cintaku. Ada ya?
Yeah. Now that is a skill.
kosong 6 kosong. Kita tunggu suami ambil duit.
Okay, we have an A. There you go. Alright guys, I just go and wait the car, and then we only have a 670 kilo.
670 kilo saja guys.
It's about half of ton lah. Half of ton.
Yes.
It's good, it's good.
It's good. Okay. Kita balik. Rintik-rintik hujan sudah guys.
It's raining man, hallelujah, it's raining man, hallelujah.
Okay, ayo penuh. Kita boleh manis puasnya.
Yeah. What up guys, we just got home and it's raining. Now it's 5:16 and we didn't have lunch, believe it or not. And what we have here, going to cook this Great Wall brand corned beef, one of my favorite last time when I was a kid. Yeah, like this. So I'm going to open this and prep for my wife, and we have a leftover that yesterday night, you know. Let's over zoom. Yeah, this is the nice stuff.